Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and this is the question I'm going to answer. How do you put a watermark, a good watermark, on a Google Doc? Before I show you how to do this, please hit that subscribe button because I create these videos just for you. Okay, so here's a document I have. I called it watermarks for the sake of this conversation. So I want to put a watermark on this page. This watermark, by the way, is the background to the page, and all the typing and objects you put on the page are on the front of that. So look, insert watermark. It's a new feature in Google Docs. It's not that new, but it's a new feature. Watermark. Now I've got to go get an image. So select an image. Now here's the magic. You've got to be careful what image you get. You want to make sure the image is large enough to cover the page, the entire page. You also want to make sure that it's bold enough and bright enough so it shows up, but not yet too bold and too bright where it causes you to have to change the way your text is shown. You can't do black on white. You have to do white on black or whatever. So make sure your image looks good, and you might want to experiment with it. By the way, experimenting. Let me show you what I did. I went to Canva, and I said, I want to create a new design. And by the way, I'm using free Canva, make it 8.5 by 11 inches. And this is what I did. I created an image with this backdrop right here. And I put the word draft in there in big, bold, pink letters. Then I downloaded it. You can see I downloaded here. Now let's go back to Google Docs. Let's select that image. And then right here it is in the bottom left-hand corner. I could go navigate with browse, but drop that in there. And there's my watermark. Now, if I want it a little bit darker, a little bit bigger, maybe I'll make it 150, make it a little bit bigger. See, the blue gets washed out, but they want watermarks. You do want that washed out. You don't want that overwhelming. So I'm happy with that. So hit done. And there's my document with watermarks. So I can start typing text. And the watermark is down behind my text. And again, I can put as well, I can put an image. Go get an image, upload from the computer, and let's go to desktop. Let's get this image here. I don't know what it is. There's my friend Oriel speaking. Minimize that. Now it's going to completely overlay the watermark, but it is on top of the watermark. Watermarks are easy to do. Make sure you're using the best possible image for you and what you're trying to achieve. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. Hope this is helpful for you. And again, if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot.